Final expense planning is important, and securing the proper coverage to help with funeral bills, burial costs, and family expenses is often necessary. However, some individuals find it difficult to qualify or even afford basic life insurance to meet their needs. With this in mind, National Guardian Life Insurance Company is excited to offer a guaranteed issue whole life insurance product. This great plan is available to your clients who may have been previously declined by other insurance companies or individuals who desire peace of mind without answering a whole list of health questions. National Guardian Life Insurance Company, better known as NGL, is a mutual-owned life insurance company that was founded in 1910. NGL is one of the nation's leading insurance companies focused on the funeral industry. This is a completely guaranteed issue product. There are no health questions or medical restrictions. Clients receive a free NGL funeral trust with a policy, and we are excited to announce that your clients can use a credit card for monthly premiums. In addition, NGL is proud to partner with Legacy Safeguard to help clients leave a lasting legacy and be remembered long after they're gone. Legacy Safeguard offers many legacy planning and end-of-life planning benefits designed to help protect a member's legacy. Help your clients in planning for their legacy and securing the proper final expense coverage with Legacy Safeguard and the NGL Guaranteed Issue Whole Life product.